This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terese DeLuca. This lovely 2-bedroom, 2-bath ground floor condo is a quiet retreat. This condo has beautiful flooring without a stitch of carpet and boasts a roomy floor plan. Relax on the screened lanai that offers a private preserve view, or sunbathe at the community pool. There is a king bed in the master bedroom and double sinks in the master bath. The second bedroom offers a queen bed. Flat screen TVs in the living room and both bedrooms. The gated community of Blue Heron is only 15 minutes from downtown Naples and the beach. For more information, review the details below.